this video, I'll show you how to create a spinning image effect in Canva. Open Canva, create a new project. Let's use this image as an example. First, click to add it to your page. Now, click Show Page Thumbnails in the bottom right corner. Click the three dots in the upper right corner of page 1 and select Duplicate Page. On page 2, click the image to reveal the rotation handle. Click and drag to rotate the image as desired. Next, move your cursor between the two pages and click Add Transition. On the left panel, select Match and Move. Adjust the transition duration to control the spinning speed. That's how you create a spinning image effect in Canva. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.